और एक मिनट हमने नहीं करी पोस्ट कर ओके डियर गुड इवनिंग 5.3 just two sums we have done that is based on the product of the segment that we will continue. Yesterday I have sent one video. Point number 1, check every day Google Class for my daily activities and for your assignment. Online attendance and Google Class attendance is must. I will get it every day and I have to submit in the school to the principal. During the entry in online class, only 4 key you have to use. Tens means X, A, B or C, that is your division, and 2-digit roll number. Division and roll number as per your 9th standard. So don't get confused. And every day at least 1 hour do writing practice. And in maths and science, feel free to discuss with me your problems, your doubts, or any more information you want. So let's start with new sum. First and second we have done. Now first I'll do fourth one. Both have the secant. P, S, Q, T, R. Now PQ is equal to 6. QR is equal to 10. PS is equal to 8. PS question. 2 seconds are there. So all the segments you have to write from intersection P. So PS into PT. PQ into PR. PS is 8. PT, it is not given. PQ, it is given 6. PR is PQ plus QR. So that is 8 into PT, 6 into 6 plus 10, 6 into 16, divide by 8. So 8 twos are. So it is 12. Now what is about PT? PT is made up of PS, ST. PS8 ST question. So 12 minus 8 is equal to ST. Centimeter not given. When units are not given, you have to write units. Then third one. Now I am taking that. O, D, E, C, A. This is a tangent. That is D. O is the center. AB is given 12. AC is equal to 8. We have to find AD, DC, D. Now, on segment based, third formula, AC into AD is equal to AB square, and that is given 12, so 12 into 12. AC given 8. AD question. AD 12 into 12 divided by 8. 4 3s are 4 2s are 2 6s are 6 3s are 18 units. So AD is equal to 18. Now AD is equal to AC plus DC. This we got 18. AC it is given 8. DC question. 18 minus 8 is equal to DC. So DC is equal to 10. Now you can see it is a perpendicular. From the center, perpendicular drawn on a chord bisect the chord. So DE is equal to EC is equal to X, for example. Why? OE is perpendicular to DC in the circle. Both are equal, and DC is equal to DE plus EC. This much is 10 and both are equal, so both are 5. So X is equal to DE is equal to EC is equal to 5 unit. Again, AB square is equal to AC into AD from the intersection. AB into AB, AB square, AC into AD. Okay, AC given, AB given, third not given. This goes down. 12 into 12, 144 divided by 8 is equal to 18. 18 is 144. 18 units. Total is 18. This much is 8. So rest of the part is 10. So half of 10, 10. 5, 5. Correct. So that we need 1, 2, 3. So AD we got full AD, that is 18. DC 5. DE now next proof, next sum, very important, mark triple star. From this exercise, this sum, they have asked maximum number of times. In digest, they have given slightly in a different way, segment minus segment. I will give slightly different solution. Number of steps in digest and number of steps of my method are same. They have done by subtraction of the segment. We will do addition of the segment. Try to understand, try to observe diagram first. In a geometry, observation of diagram is very important. So what is given? One circle is given, one diameter is given, one tangent is given. And 1 second from that it is given. So now E, F, D, G, this is H. We have to prove DE, DG, 4 radii square. This we have to prove. I will explain again. First, I will write stepwise. First, EF is perpendicular BA. Why? Tangent, radii, perpendicular theorem. For every circle, from the end point of that radii, when you will draw tangent, always it is parallel to radii. So radii, tangent, both are perpendicular to each other. Next, I will join this. This is also 90, this is also 90. ED perpendicular to GF. Inscribe in semicircle. Again, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. End point of diameter, whenever you will join any point on a semicircle, that is 90. So these are the diameter. This is diameter, sorry. E and F are the two endpoints of a diameter. I have connected to G, which is point on a circle. So that is why this much is 90. Okay. In rest of the solution, they have taken bigger one 90-degree right angle triangle. They have taken. I will take this much. So third, as per Pythagoras, EG square plus GF square is equal to EF square. Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. Fourth, EG will be EG only. You have learned that this square is equal to this into this. So GF square is equal to EG into GD. And this is a diameter. Diameter means 2 radii. Again, suppose this is a right angle triangle, which is EFD. This is right angle. This is a perpendicular drawn, that is G. So EG square is equal to this into this. That is geometric mean. That I have written. So reason by geometric mean formula. Now fifth, I will take EG common. If EG is common, so one time out, one time in. EG out, so GD only remain. This is a diameter. Diameter means double radii. Double radii square 2 to the 4 r into r square. Now this is EG only. And when you want to add two segments, remove common. G is common, remove. So that is your proof. So this tangent radii, this inscribed in semicircle, this is by Pythagoras, this is by geometric formula. Here what we have taken, that only you have to write EG common. Here EG plus GD, what we have substituted? ED, correct? So hence it is proved. This is very easy and very important. From circle 4 marks question in SSC board, frequently they are asking. This I have taken 90 because tangent radii perpendicular theorem. Tangent radii perpendicular theorem. I have taken this also 90, both 90 not given. We are taking by theorems. EGF is 90 because inscribed in half circle. That is 90. Then I have taken this small triangle. So this is 90. So square of this plus square of this is equal to square of this. This I have written. Then for this I have written radii, 2 radii. Then EG square, GF square. Now GF square. GF square is equal to GE into GD. That is geometric mean formula that I have substituted here. Then I have taken EG one time out. Here EG only remain. Here GD only remain. Now EG plus GD, GG cancelled, so ED. 2 r total bracket square, so 2 to the 4 r into r square. So hence it is proved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps only. If we will do by negative, that also will be the same. Okay, let me explain that also. Suppose I am not taking small triangle, I will take big triangle. So what it will be? ED square is equal to EF square plus FD square by Pythagoras of big triangle. Then ED square will be same. Minus FD square. This I have taken this side. And EF square. EF. Again it is 2r. Now FD square ED square, FD square, FD square is equal to D. In this we have done, no? AB square is equal to AC into AD. So df square is equal to dg into d. Correct. One more time, d is common. D is common, so 1d will be there, minus dg will be there. Okay, d out, 1d out, 1d in. So this is 4r square. Now this is d only. Again e cancel, dg, sorry. Okay, de minus dg is equal to eg. See this? Here instead of plus, we have to take minus. If you are taking bigger right angle triangle, you have to go for subtraction of the segment, otherwise addition. But I think you go for this. This will just for your knowledge I have introduced. Okay. Now, three theorem of this chapter, which are very important, that I will give again as a revision. Then we will start problem set. But before that, that important theorem we have to revise. Which are very important. So three theorems again I will give. So in the video, rest of the student can see. First very important theorem of circle. It is also with the converse. The sentence is, on a chord from the center, if perpendicular is drawn, it bisects the chord. Converse. If perpendicular drawn, then it is a bisector, and if it is a bisector, then it is a perpendicular. Right. On a chord from the center, suppose we will draw perpendicular, it is a bisector. What is given? OC is drawn perpendicular on AB. What to prove? AC is equal to CB, right? This we have to prove. Now construction. Radii OA and OB. So proof number 1, both the triangle. In triangle OCA and in triangle OCB, OCA, OCB, OA is equal to OB. Radii of same circle. Third, OC equal to OC. Common. Fourth, these are equal, these are common. In 1990, OCA congruent to OCB. Why? OC is perpendicular to AB. If it is perpendicular, both the sides, each 90. These are 90. These are common. These are the radii. So by which test both the triangles are congruent? So triangle OCA, congruent triangle OCB by hypotenuse side test. Therefore, CA is equal to CB. Congruent side of congruent triangle. CSCT. And if we are checking angle, then CACT. CSCT, CACT. Now, if this is converse.
So 9 minutes left.
Okay. Suppose this is given, this is to prove. Then construction correct. This you have to write same, this you have to write same. Instead of this, you will write AC is equal to BC. And instead of this, you will write S. Now bisector are given, so midpoint is given, so you can take both the sides are equal. So now all the sides are equal. So by SSS, so you will not write this, you will write angle OCA congruent to angle OCB. CACT. Converse I am proving. If both are equal, and sum of that two equal are 180. So both are 90-90. For example, angle OCA plus angle OCB is equal to 180. Both are equal, sum of both are 180, so individually 90. And therefore, OC perpendicular to AB. But previous one, that is more important. Now next, the best theorem of this chapter, because as a theorem, they have asked this theorem that two tangent segments drawn from outside the circle to the circle are congruent. Circle is given. From the outside point, two tangent segments. So OA and OB are two tangent. We have to prove that both are congruent. So take this T. And from that, we will write what is given. OA and OC, two tangent. To prove that OA is equal to OC. Construction, three construction, CA, CB, CO. Now, proof number 1. In triangle COCA and OCB, in this triangle and this triangle, CA is equal to CB, radii of same circle. Third, CO is equal to CO, common. Fourth, always tangent radii 90. So measure angle A is equal to measure angle B is equal to 90. Tangent radii perpendicular theorem. When 90 are equal, radii are equal, and middle, that is a common. Out of 4 tests, only one hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse side test, suppose that word you are not writing, another test you are writing, 0 mark. With this test only you can prove. The fifth, triangle OCA congruent to triangle OCB by hypotenuse side test only. Therefore, if triangles are congruent, sides are congruent, OA is equal to OB, congruent side of congruent triangle. This is the most important theorem. Again, sentence I am giving you. To the circle, 2 tangents drawn from outside the point. To that circle, 2 tangent segments are congruent. That we have to prove. So draw these 3 construction. Prove 2 triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. And then write CSCT. The next very important theorem is cyclic quadrilateral. The quadrilateral is said to be cyclic when all 4 points of a quadrilateral are on a circle. Then it is said to be cyclic. This is a circle. My 4 points are here, A, B, C, D. Correct. Now join that. We have to prove opposite are 90. Measure angle A opposite to C. Measure angle B. In short point, I'll explain. As per inscribed angle theorem, with A, this much is inscribed. So measure angle A, half of measured arc DCB, inscribed angle
So
theorem.
it's going to end.
Measure angle C, half C, this ADB. Then measure angle A plus measure angle C is equal to half major arc DCB, half major arc ADB. Take half common, arc plus arc DCB plus ADB. So this is full circle. Full circle means 360. Half of 360.